I just wanted to make a quick video on how to install Windows 11 on a Windows 10 unsupported system without all the chit chat about everything else. First things first, you want to open a browser. You want to type Windows 11 ISO and hit enter. You want to select download Windows 11 from search results. You want to scroll down to the third one to download the ISO. You want to select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Select download now. On the next screen, you're going to select your language. So I am English, so I select English and hit confirm. Next screens, click on 64-bit download and now you're downloading the file. Next thing you want to do is you want to select open. Now it's loaded to your DVD drive here, which you can close this. Next thing you want to do is come down here to search. And you want to type in command prompt or CMD. You want to select this first one, right click on it, run it as administrator. In your command prompt, you want to switch to your DVD drive, so you want to hit D:, and now it's switched to your DVD drive. Now you want to type CD space sources, and you want to change to your sources folder within the CD-ROM ISO. And within your sources folder, to start this, you want to type setup.prep.exe space / the word product space server. And this will start the Windows installation. Let's see here, it says install Windows Server. Don't pay any attention to that. It's going to install Windows 11. You want to hit next. Now you want to click on accept. When you're installing Windows 11 on a Windows 10 unsupported system, you want to make sure you keep all file settings and apps. If you do not, and you select nothing, it will error out during installation. So make sure you keep this first selection and click next. Okay, now we are on the final screen. Ready to install Windows 11 Home, and keep all file settings and apps. And as soon as you hit install, it will begin the installation for Windows 11. And it will install on any unsupported system, as long as you do it the way I show you in this video. You should have no problems. I've had no problems to date. I'm not going to click install because this system is already on 11. But as soon as you click this, it will change to a blue screen where you'll see it say it's installing Windows. And then it'll reboot several times, and when it completes, you'll have Windows 11. Uh, if you have any questions, just post them below. Like and subscribe if you like these types of videos, and I thank you for watching.